Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. The Newton-Raphson method is a powerful root-finding algorithm that uses the concept of derivatives to iteratively find successively better approximations to the roots, or zeros, of a real-valued function. It's particularly useful for functions where the derivative can be computed easily, and it converges quickly when the initial guess is close to the actual root. Overview of the Newton-Raphson method. The Newton-Raphson formula is given by \x_n plus 1 equals x_n, \frac f, x_n, f, x_n, where x_n is the current estimate of the root. F, x_n, is the function value at x_n f, x_n, is the derivative of the function at x_n x_n plus 1 is the next estimate for the root. Steps in the Newton-Raphson method. 1. Choose an initial guess x_0 2. Calculate f, x_n, and f, x_n, 3. Update x_n using the formula. 4. Repeat until the change in x_n is smaller than a set tolerance level or until a maximum number of iterations is reached. Example in Python using numpy. Let's implement the Newton-Raphson method in Python using numpy. We'll find the root of a simple function, such as f, x, equals x²2, which has roots at x equals \sqrt2 and x equals --sqrt2 Explanation of the code. 1. Function definitions. F, x, defines the function for which we want to find the root. Df, x, defines the derivative of the function. 2. Newton-Raphson function. Newton_Raphson, this function implements the Newton-Raphson method. It takes an initial guess, a tolerance for convergence, and a maximum number of iterations. Inside, it iteratively updates the guess until it converges or reaches the maximum iterations. 3. Convergence check. The algorithm checks if the absolute difference between the current and the next guess is less than the specified tolerance. 4. Example usage. The example usage sets an initial guess and calls the Newton_Raphson function. It prints the estimated root. Key considerations. Initial guess. The choice of the initial guess can significantly impact convergence. If the guess is too far from the actual root, the method may fail to converge or converge to a different root. Derivative. If the derivative at any point is 0, the algorithm will fail, leading to division by 0. You should handle such cases appropriately. Convergence. The method converges quickly if the initial guess is close to the actual root, but it may diverge if the guess is too far or if the function is not well behaved. This tutorial provides a foundational understanding of the Newton-Raphson method and its implementation using numpy in Python. You can extend this basic example to explore more complex functions and scenarios.